let's explore consonance and dissonance a little bit more. This piece is called Agree to Disagree, and we'll go back and forth between playing on black keys and playing on white keys, making sounds that work together, consonance, and sounds that seem to be at odds, dissonance. Okay, first, if you're doing the duet version, the lower part will play F sharp, C sharp, or G flat, D flat. And the right hand will play a triad of F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So the left hand's playing the left of a group of 3 and the left of a group of 2. The right hand's playing the left of 3, the right of 3, and the left of 2. You can just do that over and over. When you change to the vacation, we go to white keys. And the left hand plays the white key C and G. So left of 2 black keys, and then in between the left and middle of the 3 black keys. No. There it is. Nutcracker. Couldn't help myself. The right hand is playing a C major triad in first inversion. So the thumb plays E, finger 2 plays G, and finger 5 plays C. Okay, so let's demonstrate both of those. Vacation. You could change the rhythm if you want to. Or you could go like this. Any combination is fine. We pretty much will do 4 beats per measure for the whole piece. If you're feeling like being more adventurous, you could, with the right hand, play. You could play the right of the 2 black keys and the white key B, if you want to. The top part of the duet can play anything on black keys. Then if you want to disagree, the top can play white keys, while the bottom plays black keys. Let's try that. Disagree. Okay, if you're on the vacation, lower part's doing black keys. Lower part's doing white keys. And the top part can do white keys. Solo version of this piece, then the left hand can just play the F sharp, C sharp, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And the vacation you can do C and G. And the top part can play any of the blacks or whites, depending if you want to agree or disagree. Some sample rhythm patterns you could do would be do, 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 do. This is already do, 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 do. Or you could try do, do. Or you could try faster. Do-day, 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 do-day. Do, do, day, do, do. Alright, so that's a demonstration of agree to disagree. Stick around because we'll have the backing track coming up and you can start to explore, as a soloist, all the different combinations of consonance and dissonance. Well, actually, that sounds pretty cool. See you next time.